This multifunctional wireless hoover is really too powerful. Vacuuming, blowing dust, pumping air pump 3-in-1. Equipped with a high-performance motor, 12000 PA strong power. The crevice of the seat, narrow space, use it to clean up easily. Change to a different brush head, can also blow. Vacuum. Wireless design is very convenient to use. The noise's small volume is not big. Usually put the car does not occupy space. Worried about dust and debris? Use this cordless hoover to solve all cleaning problems easily. 10 times powerful suction power, so that the deep dust and debris have no place to hide. Low noise technology, creating a quiet and comfortable environment. Extra large capacity battery can be used for a long time. One charge can be used for 7 days. Removable filter can be reused. Easy to clean. Usually especially difficult to clean the sofa cracks, window cracks, door frame cracks can be cleaned. Put it in the car can also be used as a car hoover. The dust box and filter can be removed and cleaned. Just flush with water after use. Just 3 seconds, goodbye to dust. Wireless portable car hoover. No need to plug in.